Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arpana and you are watching my YouTube channel at drarpana.com. So in this channel, I share with you some tips for a healthy lifestyle. Now, the topic that I have chosen today is that nagging cough and cold, which actually gives you that blockage in the nose, and there is a discharge of thick mucus from your nose. So it basically happens when you are suffering from cold, and basically your sinuses also gets involved, and there is sinusitis or sinus infection, whatever you want to say. So what are sinuses? Sinuses are actually the air filled cavities in your skull. Now they are present here in the frontal region. These are called as the frontal sinuses. Then there are ethmoid sinuses, which is present here at the angle of the nose. And then we have here maxillary sinuses. Okay, so what actually the sinuses are, or how they remain normally? Normally, they are air filled pockets in your face. When you are having a bad cold, then at that time these cavities they get filled with mucus, and because of the mucus you are having the signs and symptoms of the sinusitis. Now you may have blockage in the nose, you may have that thick discharge, that yellowish greenish discharge from the nose. You may experience pain here in your face, you may experience pain in this region. You may also have loss of smell. You may also have some fever, and there can be bad breath from the mouth. All these symptoms may be present in your sinusitis. Now, there can be some structural anomaly also in the face, for which you may give symptoms like this when the drainage duct, when there is some narrowing of the drainage duct because of some structural abnormality, and in that case also you may get symptoms like this. So now, coming down to the management part. Now if you are having this infection, if you are having sinusitis, then what is to be done? So let us talk about the management part of sinusitis. First, always wash your hands properly before having your food. Number 2, avoid smoking. Number 3, if the sinuses are congested, if you are having that sinusitis thing, then avoid flying. Number 4, there is one yoga which is called as Jalaneti. There is one special pot which we call as Neti Pot, and what we do is, that is basically, the process is basically rinsing of your sinuses with the help of water. So we take saline water in that Neti Pot, and we put the water through one nostril, and the water comes out through the other nostril, draining your sinuses, cleaning your sinuses, or rinsing your sinuses. Now I will subsequently post a video where you will get to know how to perform this Jal Neti with the help of the Neti Pot. Now the other thing that you can do is drink plenty of fluid. When you consume more fluid, it helps to keep the mucus thin, and then it helps in the expectoration as well. Then the next thing is, you have to take proper rest in this case, and also you can take foods which are spicy, like food with pepper, food with mustard seeds. You can always add that pepper powder in your soups, and the food that you are eating, try to eat it a bit more spicy. So next, what you can do is, you should take steam. You should take steam vapors so that the sinuses are cleared, the blockage is cleared. Then you can take hot fermentation over the affected region. That will help in thinning out of the mucus and the drainage of the mucus. Then the next thing you can do is, you can use a humidifier also, but make sure that the humidifier is absolutely clean and free of any molds. If it is not so, then you will end up in deteriorating your condition if the humidifier is not clean. So if you are using a humidifier, make sure it is absolutely clean. The next thing, you can eat food with peppers and with mustard seeds, because these also has the property to clear up your nasal passages. Then the next is a very important spice that is widely used in Indian household and also in Mediterranean cuisines, and that is turmeric. Now turmeric contains a potent substance, curcumin, which has a very high anti-inflammatory property. Now if you are using that, and I'm sure most of the Indian cooking, that is turmeric is a staple part of our cooking, so we ought to use it. So just use that, and so you can do all these things which will help you in a speedy recovery. If you need any kind of medicinal advice, if you need any kind of homeopathic medicine for the same, you can always contact me. And hope this video was helpful for you. Do share this with your family and friends so that they can also benefit from this video. So for now, that's all for now. Have a good day. Namaste.